gas and some McDonald's breakfast before we go, why is it that the most beautiful sunrises are always over gas stations and grocery stores? All right, so we are headed to Indian Cave State Park here in Nebraska. It's just about an hour, maybe an hour and a couple minutes away from the house, so that's going to be a nice, quick, easy trip. Milo's super excited about it. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
One of our favorite things about coming down to Nebraska City are the apple orchards and getting apple flavored everything. We're going to give some apple donuts a try from Kimmel Apple Orchard in Nebraska City, Nebraska.
Yeah, it's partially run, and they do research here at UNL. I think they own and operate most of it, but they also do research here for the university.
Awesome. Milo is beside himself here. It's good stuff?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try one. It's pretty good. Milo, did you want to try it?
You want a bite? Do you want a bite?
I think he does.
I think they do. That's a baby. Oh, wait, Milo, you want a bite? Milo? There you go. Tried to bite my fingers off.
Oh boy. So that loop is completely closed, which is just going to leave us with this loop. So I guess that's where we're going to go find our spot.
It's pretty.
All right, we came down that road and had to back it into this spot here. First time having to back it in, gotta say. I think we did all right. We even had a pickup truck behind us. Seemed a little aggravated that he had to wait, but really only took us a couple backwards and forwards and we got it in there.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Thank you.
sand. Hello. There's so much sand in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like that butt?
I always like that butt.
Yeah.
What are you doing, dude? Milo. Hey, what are you doing? You get stuck? Did you get stuck? There was almost an eerie quality to the way the park looked without any leaves on the trees, but the calm and quiet and having the campground pretty much all to ourselves was very appealing. Hi, here we are at the Missouri River.
I did it. Where's your ball? I'll get right up in them coals. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Milo.
You show a video of me being really cold.
Turn the heat on.
It just keeps getting warmer in here, even with not the heat on. Like it was 63 and now it's 65. My hands are so cold and my feet are cold.
I'm just radiating heat over here.
Lay on my feet and my hands.
You can turn the furnace on more if you want.
Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I don't sound like a little girl.
Well, since it gets dark at like 12 in the afternoon these days, we finished up our dinner and decided to just relax in the Scamp. So Christina's reading, I'm just playing on the phone. By playing on my phone, I mean not doing anything that requires service because there is no service out here.
I'm just itching my eye, if you must know.
Milo, it's bedtime.
Can't stay here.
Oh, you lay down, it's bedtime.
Go sleep. And lay down. Do you want to go to sleep and lay down?
Milo, bedtime.
Is it
Bedtime?
bedtime? Clover. Hi. You a good girl.
Anybody else find it really difficult to get up in the mornings when it's cold, but bacon's about the only thing that'll get you out? I thought so. All right, Indian Cave State Park, Nebraska recap. It's actually one of my favorites. I've been coming here since I was a kid. Unfortunately, the walkway, even the road to get to the Indian Cave part is closed, so we couldn't see the petroglyphs. That'll be reopening in the spring. We're definitely coming back. I mean, it's so close to home. It's about an hour and a half away. So coming back here frequently is definitely something we're going to do. There's so many trees around, so with it being the end of fall, it wasn't as pretty as it can be. So this is definitely a must see for the fall if you live around the area. As for the shower situation, bathroom situation, the water was warm, not temperature controlled buildings that I could tell. We didn't actually use the showers, but you know, they looked clean enough. They're definitely old and dated, but they weren't dirty. So all in all, one of my favorite camp spots in the Nebraska near Omaha area. All right, thanks so much for watching another one of our videos, and keep scamping.